Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add thumbnail to YouTube video. To add a thumbnail to a YouTube video, you need to use the YouTube Studio, and these are the steps that you can take to do that. First thing you need to do is to launch any browser of your choice. I'm currently using Google Chrome. Now, at the top corner of your browser, which is the search bar, go ahead and type studio.youtube.com, and that's going to open up the YouTube Studio website. If you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to sign in using your YouTube account. Now, this is the home page. This is what it looks like. In here, head over to the left hand menu and click on content for videos, and the content is just the content is just the second icon right under dashboard. So go ahead and click on content, and once you click on content, it takes you to this window where you have channel content. The next thing you need to do is to click on the title or thumbnail of the video you want to add or change the thumbnail for. I don't have a video, but I have a short, and the options are pretty much the same. So I'm just going to click on the title of this video, and it's going to open me up to the video editing settings. Now, in the video details view, which we have over here, you're going to see a section for thumbnail, which is pretty much like a second section. Now here it says, for now, you can change the thumbnail on your shot. But if you can, then you'll see an option that says upload thumbnail or change. Now, once you click on any of these icons, you'll be updating the existing. Okay, you can click on change if you're updating an existing thumbnail. You can click on upload thumbnail if you want to create a new thumbnail. Now, select the image file from your computer or from your mobile phone in Descent. Now, the recommended size is 1280 x 720 pixels with a 6:9 aspect ratio. Now, once the thumbnail is updated, click on save in the top right corner to apply changes. That's all you need to do. Now, once that is done, you will be good to go. You can go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.